Welcome to Boyville. Today's recipe will be marble sponge cake. First, you need to separate 6 large eggs. Add in 1/8 teaspoon of salt into the egg whites and beat. Slowly add in half a cup of sugar. Beat until it reaches stiff peaks. Now take the egg yolks and add in 1/4 cup orange juice. Then add in 1/4 cup of canola oil. Sift in 1 cup cake flour. Mix until it well combined. Fold in the egg whites. Scoop about 1/3 of the batter into a separate bowl. Place the chocolate bowl into hot water. The chocolate will melt within 1 to 2 minutes. Add in the melted chocolate into the 1/3 batter. Fold the chocolate into the batter. Line 9-inch baking pan with parchment paper. Pour in about half of the regular batter, then pour in the chocolate batter and the rest of the regular batter. Take a stick and swirl the batter so it makes chocolate swirls inside the cake. Give it a tap to remove bubbles. Place in the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. After it finished baking, remove the cake out of the baking pan to avoid shrinking. Let it rest for a bit and then cut the slice to enjoy.